Hey guys, so time for another video. Welcome back, by the way. Today I'm going to show you a very quick little video. It's how to unstick or how to fix a sticky choke on a Honda 5.5 engine. And all you're going to need is a spray can of lube. I'm going to bring the camera in closer and show you what the symptoms are, and then I'm going to fix it. Stay tuned. On this Honda engine, there's a choke lever here, and you're supposed to bring it up, and as the motor warms up after you start it, it's supposed to turn back to the running position all by itself. But on this engine it sticks, and we're going to fix that today. All you're going to have to do is use some sort of, this is just some cheap old thing from Biltema, but it works really good. All you have to do is spray some lube in here, underneath and over top. Just be liberal with the lube and move it back and forth. Spray some more lube on the shaft in there and underneath the lever. Like I said, be very liberal with the lube. And I can already feel it's working nice. And I can already see it starting to move back. So I'm going to zoom out the camera a little bit, start it up. I'm going to let it stay in the choke position. I'm going to zoom out the camera a little bit. You can see the choke lever there. It's in choke. Fuel is on. And I'm going to try and start it up. As you can see, it's still sticking just a little bit on a couple of places, so I'm going to go back with the lube. Doesn't hurt anything. I'm going to just pry it down just a little bit to really get it inside. Right, that should be enough. And it takes longer when you're filming a video, of course, but it's a fix that's going to take you less than a minute when you're doing it without anything or without filming. So it's going to take you just a couple of cents in spray lube, some elbow grease, not really much out of anything, but then it's just going to start up for you and keep on working. But you have to really make sure that you're paying attention to the choke, because sometimes it sticks like this, and you have to do this once every other year or so. Thank you for tuning into my video, guys. I hope to make I'm going to try my best to make weekly videos just as soon as my back starts playing ball again. I'm waiting on the MRI, but 1 week from today I have a scheduled appointment, and should be getting some answers then. follow me on social media. All the links are down in the video description. And please subscribe, comment, like the video, share it with friends. And you should see a lot more videos in the future. Bye guys.